Hello. Our subject is what? Theory of machine second. In that topic, tooth to the wheels or tooth to the gears. In that today we are going to see gear terminologies. I am Mr. Y. Kamble, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Edra. In previous lecture or previous video, we seen that the classification of gears. Again, we are seeing that what is the use of gear, why gears are used. Okay, so basic background of this gear is what? It is an important power transmitting device. Okay, and today we are going to discuss the gear technologies, and these gear terminologies, these are the two most essential, so we are going to see every term one by one. So see here, this is the this figure shows all terminologies. Okay, so these terms we are used in the gears. So first thing is that we are going to see, first thing is that pitch circle. Okay, this is nothing but this dashes line, this is nothing but what? Pitch circle. Okay, next after that pitch circle diameter, and the pitch circle diameter is nothing but what? Diameter of this pitch circle. Okay, so that means suppose center is here, from this center, this is the diameter of this is radius, the total diameter will be there, and this is nothing but what? A pitch circle diameter. Okay, after that we are going to see the addendum. So what is meant by addendum? The addendum is nothing but what? See here, this is what addendum, where it is seen, this is addendum. Okay, so this addendum is nothing but what? This is a radial distance, okay, from the this pitch circle to the this top of the tooth. Okay, and this radial distance is nothing but what? A addendum. Okay, afterwards dedendum will be there. So dedendum is nothing but what? This is dedendum. Okay, so dedendum is nothing but what? Dedendum is nothing but what? The radial distance between this pitch circle to the bottom of this tooth. This is nothing but what? A dedendum. Okay, now next is what? Addendum circle. This definition will be there. Okay, so addendum circle is nothing but what? The circle drawn from the top of the tooth, and it is concentric with what? The pitch circle. Simple definition will be there. Addendum circle is defined as it is a circle drawn from this top of the tooth, and it is concentric with what? The pitch circle. This is nothing but what? The addendum circle will be there. Okay, now next is what? Pitch surface point. Where is the pitch surface point? This is nothing but what? This is what here see here, this is what pitch surface point. Here pitch surface point will be there. Now next, from this one, from these parameters we can find out two characteristics or two terms, that is what? Face is there and flank is there. Now face is nothing but what? The distance above this pitch surface element to the top of the tooth, this is nothing but about the face. Again, the distance below the pitch surface element to the bottom of this tooth, this is nothing but the flank. Okay, there are these two terms are there. Okay, next term is what? This top line will be there, this top line of the tooth we are going to see. Next, again circular pitch will be there. Okay, we are going to see this circular pitch also there. Okay, again we are going to see this tooth space is there. Next, total depth, again working depth is there, and working depth circle we are going to see one by one in this presentation. Now first thing is that what? Pitch circle. Okay, it is an imaginary circle which by pure rolling action would give the same motion as the actual gear. So pitch circle is defined as, or it is simply stated that it is an imaginary circle. The pitch circle is a what? Imaginary circle which by pure rolling action, it is gives from pure rolling action and would give the same motion as actual gear. Whatever be motion we got in actual gear, same motion will give this pitch circle. Okay, so this is what? A pitch circle. So see here, see here is a what pitch circle, here is a second pitch circle. Okay, so pitch circle, this suppose this is what wheel 1 and this is what wheel 2, or this is what simply say gear 1 and this is what gear 2. This is what a pitch circle will be there. Okay, next, pitch circle diameter. Okay, pitch circle diameter is nothing but what, simply stated as what, it is the diameter of pitch circle. Okay, so simply it is the diameter of the pitch circle. The size of gear usually specified by the pitch circle diameter. It is also called as a pitch diameter. Okay, so pitch circle is a pitch circle diameter. This is a concept. Now next is what, base circle. It is a section from which the involute section of the tooth is generated. This is what a base circle. Okay, so see here, this is what a base circle. Okay, this is what a involute profile will be there, and this two teeth is nothing but what, involute teeth are there. Okay, there are two profiles will be generated. First is what, involute teeth will be there and cycloidal teeth will be there. Here involute teeth is there. Next point is what, pitch point. It is a common point of contact between two pitch circles. So see here, this is what pitch circle 1 and this is a pitch circle 1 2. Okay, so from their contact with each other, they mesh with each other, and what happens here, see here common point is will be there. Okay, this common point is nothing but what, pitch point. Now next, addendum and dedendum, we seen already in slide number 3. Okay, so addendum is nothing but what, it is a radial distance of tooth from the pitch circle to the top of the tooth. Okay, suppose this is what, suppose here pitch circle will be there, this is what a pitch circle, and this is a distance, this top distance, okay, from this pitch circle. It is a radial distance of tooth from the pitch circle to the top of the tooth. It is simply named as addendum. Okay, next is what, dedendum. A dedendum is nothing but what, it is a radial distance of tooth from the pitch circle to the bottom of the tooth. Circular pitch. The distance circular pitch is simply defined as the distance measured on the circumference of the pitch circle from a point of one tooth to the corresponding point of next tooth. This is nothing but what, circular pitch. It is usually denoted by PC. So simply P is nothing but what, pitch, and C stands for circular. This is what, circular pitch. The how circular pitch is defined as, see here, this is what, teeth. Okay, so suppose this is point 1. Okay, so this is defined as what, circular distance measured on the circumference of the pitch circle from the point of one tooth to the corresponding point of next tooth. So suppose this is a point of one tooth. Okay, corresponding point, where will be the corresponding point? So this is what, corresponding point of next tooth. Suppose this is a teeth 1. Okay, and this is what, teeth 2. Okay, so this point and this point, distance between these 2 points, I will show once again. Suppose this is a 1 point, this is 1 point, and corresponding point of next tooth, this is the corresponding point of next tooth, and this distance is nothing but what, circular pitch. So PC is nothing but what, pi into d divided by t. So d is nothing but what, diameter of the pitch, and t is nothing but what, number of teeth. Diametral pitch. So diametral pitch is defined as, it is a ratio of number of teeth to the pitch circle diameter in millimeters. Okay, it is denoted by PD. P stands for pitch and D stands for diametral. Okay, so diametral pitch is defined as, or denoted by PD. PD is equal to T divided by D. So T is nothing but what, number of teeth, and D is nothing but what, pitch circle diameter. So diametral pitch is defined as, it is a ratio of number of teeth to the pitch circle diameter in millimeters. Next is important point, module. Module is exactly reciprocal of the diametral pitch. Okay, so module is defined as it is a ratio of piece circle diameter in millimeters to the number of teeth. It is usually denoted by small m. Mathematically, module is denoted or module is given as small m is equal to d divided by t. D is nothing but what? Diameter of pitch, and t is nothing but what? Number of teeth. Okay, so module is exact reciprocal of diametral pitch. Now next is what? Clearance. So the clearance is nothing but what? It is a radial distance from top of the tooth to the bottom of the tooth in meshing gears. Okay, so see here, clearance will be shown here. Suppose this is a teeth and this is a engaging second teeth. Okay, between these two, where is a small gap will be there. This is nothing but what? A clearance. Now total depth. The total depth is nothing but what? Summation of this addendum and dedendum. Simply thing is there. Okay, so this is defined as it is the radial distance between the addendum and dedendum circle of gear. It is equal to the sum of addendum and dedendum. If we see, addendum will be there. Okay, this is what addendum will be there, and this is what dedendum will be there. This total distance from here to here, this is what total depth. Working depth. So what is different with, we are going to differentiate here total depth and working depth. Okay, so first thing, we already seen the total depth. Now we are going to see working depth. The working depth is defined as it is a radial distance from the addendum circle to the clearance circle. Okay, so what is meant by clearance circle? We already seen the clearance circle. Okay, so it is a simply distance from addendum circle to the circular clearance circle. Also again it can be defined as, or it can be given as, it is equal to the sum of addendum of two meshing gears. So I will draw here two gear is a teeth, is a second teeth. Okay, suppose this is a line will be there. Okay, and again this second one is what? Meshing teeth. Okay, suppose this is what? Addendum of this teeth, and second one is what? This addendum of another will. Okay, so this plus this both will be what? The addition of these two is nothing but what? The working depth. Or simply we can take radial distance from addendum circle to the clearance circle. This is directly what? Working depth. Now two terminology will be there. Tooth space and tooth thickness. Both are different. Now first thing, we are going to see the tooth space. The tooth space is defined as, or it is given as, it is the width of the tooth measured along the piece circle. Okay, or circumference of the piece circle. Okay, now next is what? And tooth thickness is nothing but what? Thickness of the tooth. Now backlash. This is a too much important terminology or too much important property of the gear, or this is a terminology used in all gears. So it is, backlash is nothing but what? It is a difference between tooth space and tooth thickness as measured on the piece circle. Okay, in theoretically backlash will be 0. Okay, so first thing is we see the backlash. Suppose this is what? One teeth. Okay, of wheel 1 or gear 1, teeth of gear 1, and this is second teeth of another gear. They both are meshes each other. Then what happens? There must be some distance will be there, or must clearance will be there. This clearance is nothing but what? Backlash. Okay, and backlash is very important property. Why it is important? Theoretically we can take backlash should be 0, but in actual practice backlash will be there. So backlash will be provided. Why it is provided? To avoid the jamming of the tooth. Okay, so backlash is provided. Again, in case of thermal expansion, what happens? Backlash should be provided there. Now next terminology is what? Face of the tooth. It is surface of the tooth above the pitch surface. This is what face of tooth. Means pitch circle, above the pitch circle there is a face of tooth up to our tooth surface, top of the surface. Okay. And next is what? Flank of the tooth. Flank of tooth is nothing but what we already seen. This is a below the pitch surface, whatever may be distance, this is nothing but what? The flank. And above the pitch surface, whatever may be the distance, this is what? The face of the tooth. Okay. Now next is what? Top land. It is a surface of the top of the tooth. It is a surface simply above the top of the tooth. This is nothing but what? The top land. Okay. And face width. So what is meant by face width? It is the width of gear tooth measured parallel to its axis. We seen in figure number 1, that is on slide number 3, the face width. I already explained there the terminology. So here we are only simply stated the definition. It is the width of gear tooth measured parallel to its axis. So see here, all terminologies will be there. Okay. So see here, this is a what? Face width. Face width will there. This is a what? Here top land will be there. This is a what? Total width. Okay. And this is what? Parallel to the this axis of this gear. Okay. So this is what? Face width. This is top land. This is the top surface of the tooth. This is what? The top land. Next is what? Circular pitch. Circular pitch is nothing but what we already seen, from one point of this tooth to the corresponding point of the next tooth, this. Okay. And this distance is nothing but what? Circular pitch. Okay. Again we already seen the what? Flank and face. We already seen. This is what? A pitch surface. Above that, this is what? A flank. And below that, this here, below that, this is what? A flank. Okay. Now next is what? Again addendum circle is there. Okay. Pitch circle is there, root circle is there. Okay. We already seen the all terminologies in this presentation. Okay. Thank you very much. If you have any doubt, then share your comments.